Hello student. Now today we will study about the trigonometric equation and their general solution. So what is trigonometric equation? Trigonometric equations. Okay. So trigonometric equation basically is the combination, that means when trigonometric an equation of trigonometric function in which angle is unknown. Okay. That means in equation already we are knowing, that means like in case of algebraic expression x square plus something equal to 0. Okay. So same way in trigonometric equation also, that is trigonometric equation is the an equation in which trigonometric function of unknown angles. Okay. So trigonometric function of unknown angle is known as a trigonometric equation. Okay. So an equation in which angle is unknown of trigonometric function. So that type of equation is known as a trigonometric equation. For example, tan x is equal to 5, tan x is equal to 1, sin x plus cos x is equal to 1, like that. Okay. So this is trigonometric equation. Now today we will study how to find the general solution of trigonometric function. Like suppose that if any function has given tan x is equal to 1, okay, and this is equation also. So how can you find the value of x? Okay, in general solution how can you find? Okay, how can you find particular solution? How can you find principal solution? So that topic we will study in this segment. Okay, so start with types of solution. Types of solution. Types of solutions. So in trigonometric equation, that means one more thing here, what is the difference between trigonometric equation and algebraic expression? So trigonometric equation and in algebraic expression, algebraic expression has like suppose that if x plus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 2, that means has finite number of solutions generally. Okay, commonly we are I am saying that generally algebraic expression containing the finite number of solution. Okay. But in case of trigonometric equation, that means has due to the periodicity of trigonometric function has infinite number of solution. This is basic difference between algebraic expression, algebraic equation and trigonometric equation. Now type of solution. So type of solution, that means first solution is principal solution. Principal solution. Okay. So what is principal solution? That means if the value of angle is lies between 0 and 2 pi, so that type of solution is known as a principal solution. For example, if x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2 pi, so in that case the value of x is known as a principal solution. Okay. Now second is particular solution. Particular solution. Okay. So what is particular solution? That means if any trigonometric equation has given and that equation is satisfied for a particular angle. Okay. That is equation is satisfied for a particular angle. So that type of solution is known as a particular solution. Like if sin x is equal to 1, that means x is equal to, just I am writing here, pi by 2, because at x equal to pi by 2 this equation is satisfied. So this is particular solution. And third is very important, general solution. General solution. So what is general solution? So general solution is basically the set of that is possible, all the possible value of particular solution. Okay. That means if you are like x equal to pi by 2, for that value sin x equal to 1 is satisfying. So if any trigonometric equation has given and for that trigonometric equation, if you are able to find all the possible value of particular solution, so this is known as a general solution. Okay. That means for any angles, this that is if you are taking x is equal to something, that means this value of x will satisfy for that equation. That means you can get the maximum value of x. Okay. Like if I written here x is equal to n pi. So n pi, that means n is here integer, that means if you are taking 0, 0 plus minus plus pi or minus pi or plus minus 2 pi. So for that, for all angles given trigonometric equation will satisfy. So basically we can say that the set of all possible particular solution is known as a general solution. Now, start with how to find a general solution of different condition. Suppose that if sin theta equal to 0, cos theta equal to 0, tan theta equal to 0, okay, if sin theta equal to sin alpha. So, in that case how can you find the general solution of trigonometric equation? So, let us see how to find. Okay. First case, if sin theta is equal to 0, okay. So, in that case, that means if sin theta equal to 0, so what will be the value of general solution for that equation? So, clearly from this equation we can say that means in which case theta sin theta will be 0, that means if theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi, theta equal to 2 pi. So, we can write here in set form theta is equal to plus minus 0 plus minus pi plus minus 2 pi and so on. Okay. Now, in compact form we can write here n pi, because this is a multiple of pi, where n belong to integer. Okay. So, theta equal to n pi, this is a general solution of that equation. Okay. Theta equal to n pi is the general solution of sin theta equal to 0. Same way, if cos theta equal to 0. So, in that case what is the possible value of theta, that is what is the possible all the possible value of particular solution. That means in which case cos will be 0, that means if theta is equal to pi by 2, okay, minus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, in that case cos will be 0. So, the set of all particular solution of this equation, theta is equal to plus minus pi by 2 plus minus 3 pi by 2 plus minus 5 pi by 2 and so on. So, in general form we can write here, because we can take common here plus minus, or in general form we can write here, see that this is a AP form 1 3 5. So, after finding their nth term we can write here 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belong to integer, 2 theta equal to n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belong to integer. Okay. Same way we can find for tan theta. So, tan theta is equal to, if tan theta is equal to 0, so in which case tan will be 0, that means if you are taking 0, in that case also, because tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Okay. So, if theta equal to 0, so sin 0 equal to 0 and cos 0 equal to 1, that 0 upon 1 means 0. Okay. And if you are taking pi, in that case also we will get the 0. So, in general form we can write here theta will be 0 plus minus pi plus minus 2 pi and so on. In compact form we can write here n pi. Okay. This is general solution for tan theta equal to 0, where n belong to integer. Okay. Now, this is the first condition in which we can find a general solution, like if sin theta equal to 0, cos theta equal to 0 and tan theta is 0. Now, second case, second, if sin theta equal to sin alpha. Okay. First we have to find a general solution. Case second, if condition has given sin theta is equal to, if sin theta is equal to sin alpha, in that case how can you find the value of theta, general solution of theta, and where alpha is lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay. So, look here, now let's transfer sin alpha in left hand side. So, we can write here sin theta minus sin alpha equal to 0. Okay. Now, we can use here the formula of sin c minus sin d. So, we are knowing here sin c minus sin d. So, sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So, that formula we have to use here in this condition. So, sin theta minus sin alpha. So, we can write here by using this formula 2 cos theta plus alpha by 2 into sin theta minus alpha by 2 equal to 0. Now, here we will get here 2 not equal to 0. So, either cos theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 0 or sin theta minus alpha by 2 equal to 0. These two conditions you will get. Okay. Now, cos theta, already we are knowing that in first case we have got the relation of a general solution, that means if cos theta equal to 0, so theta equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So, if cos theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 0, so by using first case we can write here cos theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to 2m plus 1 pi by 2, okay, where m belong to integer. Now, in second case theta or we can write here, just simplify here. So, we can get here theta is equal to 2 to cancel out. So, we will get here 2m plus 1 pi minus alpha in first case, that means if cos theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 0. Now, second, sin theta minus alpha by 2 equal to 0, so sin theta equal to 0. So, in that case theta equal to n pi. So, we can write here sin theta minus alpha by 2 equal to 0. So, we can write here theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to n pi. So, theta is equal to, just write here, use here m, okay, 2 m pi plus alpha, okay, second condition. So, finally, we can say that here theta is the 2m plus 1 is representing odd, okay, odd multiple of pi minus alpha, and theta equal to 2m pi plus alpha, this is indicating even multiple of pi plus alpha. Okay. So, in combined form we can write here, okay, after combining these two conditions, first and second condition, we can write here theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. This is a general solution of sin theta equal to sin alpha, this trigonometric equation. Okay. Like if suppose that minus 1 power n, that means if n is equal to 1, okay. So, negative will be, that means if n is equal to odd, then you will get the minus sign. Okay. If n equal to 2, that means minus 1 whole square, then positive, that means for second condition you will get a second condition plus alpha. N equal to 3 minus, that means first condition you will get. Okay. So, in combined form we can write here theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n into alpha. Okay. Now, second condition, cos theta equal to cos alpha. Okay. Cos theta equal to cos alpha. So, how can you find a general solution of cos theta equal to cos alpha? So, let us see here, again we have to use the formula cos c minus cos d. So, we have to write here if cos theta equal to cos alpha. Okay. And now, let us transfer cos alpha in one side. So, we can write here cos theta minus cos alpha is equal to 0. Now, let us use the formula here cos c minus cos d is equal to what? So, I am firstly I am telling one trick how to learn the c plus d formula or c minus d formula. So, this is the short trick for learning, this I am telling here 2 yes or yes plus yes is equal to 2 SC, yes minus yes is equal to 2 CS, C plus C is equal to 2 CC, C minus C is equal to star 2 yes. Okay. So, this is short trick for learning C plus D formula, that means what is, how can you learn, like sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. C minus C, that is cos C minus cos D is equal to, star is here. So, 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C. Okay. This is very important, D minus C by 2, that is why here is a star sign. Okay. So, we can write here the formula for cos theta minus cos alpha, directly this I am writing here 2 sin theta plus alpha by 2 into sin alpha minus theta by 2 equal to 0. Okay. So, we can get here two condition, that is sin theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 0. So, either sin theta plus alpha by 2 equal to 0 or sin alpha minus theta by 2 equal to 0. Okay. So, if sin theta equal to 0, so theta equal to n pi. So, we can write here sin, that means theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to n pi. So, just do cross multiplication. So, theta is equal to n pi minus alpha, and here in second condition alpha minus theta by 2 is equal to n pi. So, alpha is or theta is equal to, this we can write here, firstly alpha minus theta is equal to 2 n pi. Okay. So, theta is equal to, we can write here, just we can take common here, minus common we can take here, just like here alpha minus theta is there. So, we can write here after taking minus common. So, we can write here theta minus alpha by 2. Okay, theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. So, this is, I think by this way you can get the easily relation. So, that is why I am using a theta minus alpha, because minus 2 not equal to 0. So, this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Okay. So, theta minus alpha just use here, theta minus alpha, okay, theta minus alpha. So, finally, we will get here 2 n pi plus alpha. Okay. So, after combining these two factors, we can get here theta is equal to 2 n pi plus minus alpha. This is general solution in case of cos theta equal to cos alpha. Okay. And third case, tan theta equal to tan alpha. Okay. If tan theta is equal to tan alpha. So, how can you find the general solution in that case? So, very easy. If tan theta is equal to tan alpha, okay, if that type of trigonometric equation has given, so how can you find the general solution of theta? So, tan theta we can write here sin theta upon cos theta and is equal to sin alpha upon cos alpha. Just do cross multiplication, sin theta into cos alpha and is equal to cos theta into sin alpha. Now, this transfer right hand side and left hand side. So, sin theta into cos alpha minus cos theta into sin alpha equal to 0. So, this is the formula of sin A minus B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So, we can write here sin theta minus alpha is equal to 0. So, if sin theta equal to 0, so general solution what is theta equal to n pi. So, we can write here theta minus alpha is equal to n pi. So, theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Okay. This is a condition for, this is a equation, the general solution of this trigonometric equation, tan theta equal to tan alpha. So, theta equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belong to integer. Okay. Now, in next segment we will study about some more trigonometric equation. Okay. So, thank you.